जय हिंद दोस्तों। तो चलिए अब हम लोग पहुंचते हैं अपना यूनिट नंबर 5 पे। ठीक है, क्या है? बैक ट्रैकिंग एंड अप्रोक्सीमेशन एल्गोरिथम। ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं, प्रैक्टिस करते हैं अपना एमसीक्यू। देखिए क्या फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। बैक ट्रैकिंग इज बेस्ट सुटेड फॉर सॉल्विंग विच टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स? ग्रेडी प्रॉब्लम्स, डायनेमिक प्रोग्रामिंग प्रॉब्लम्स, कांस्टेंट सेटिस्फैक्शन प्रॉब्लम या फिर ग्राफ ट्रेवर्सल प्रॉब्लम? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज कांस्टेंट सेटिस्फैक्शन प्रॉब्लम्स। Question number 2. In the n queen problems, what is the primary condition that must be satisfied? No two queens can be in the same row. No two queens can be in the same column. No two queens can be on the same diagonal. All of the above. So the right answer is all of the above. पता ही इसका। चलिए थर्ड। What is the time complexity of the n queen problems using backtracking? Order of n factorial, order of n square, order of 2 to the power n, order of n cube. So the correct answer is order of n factorial. 4. Which method is most efficient for solving Hamiltonian circuit problem? Greedy, backtracking, divide and conquer, BFS. So the right answer is backtracking. Question number 5. What is the base case in the Hamiltonian circuit problem? All edges are visited, all vertices are visited and path return to start. All complete path exist, all nodes have equal degree. So the correct answer is all vertices are visited and path return to start. 6. Subset sum problem is a special case of which famous problem? Knapsack problem, Dijkstra's algorithm, shortest path problem या फिर graph coloring problem? So the correct answer is knapsack problem. 7. In backtracking, what is the role of recursion? To minimize space, to handle loops, to explore partial solution, to check for base case only? So the correct answer is to explore partial solutions. 8. What does backtracking do when a solution fails at some point? Terminates, jump to the end, goes back one level and tries next option, start from the beginning again? So the correct answer is goes back one level and tries next option. 9. In n queens problem, where is the queen placed first? Random column, center cell, first column या फिर last row? So the correct answer is first column. ठीक है, चलते हैं 10. Backtracking solutions are typically represented as BFS trees, recursion decks या फिर linked list. So the correct answer is recursion trees. 11. In subset sum problem, if sum is greater than target at any point, what should be done? Continue, try again, backtrack या फिर terminate? तो क्या हो जाएगा इसका करेक्ट आंसर? backtrack. 12. What is the output of subset sum problem? Maximum subset, minimum subset, boolean value true या फिर false या फिर path with maximum weight? So the right answer is boolean value true या फिर false. 13. What technique is used in backtracking for pruning unnecessary paths? Memoization, branch and bound, constant checking, greedy cutoff? So the right answer is constant checking. 14. Which of the following problems cannot be solved using backtracking? Sudoku solver, graph coloring, TSP या फिर sorting? So the right answer is sorting. 15. In backtracking solution, tree grows with order of 1, linearly, exponentially, logarithmically? So the right answer is exponentially. 16. Branch and bound is mainly used for solving search problem, decision problems, optimization problem, graph problem? So the right answer is optimization problems. 17. In the assignment problem using branch and bound, which strategy is used to minimize cost? Backtracking, lower bounding, greedy selection, random selection? So the correct answer is lower bounding. 18. What is the worst case time complexity of the assignment problem using branch and bound? Order of n square, order of n factorial, order of 2 to the power n या फिर order of n cube? So the correct answer is order of n factorial. 19. The traveling salesman problem TSP can be solved using dynamic programming, greedy algorithm, branch and bound या फिर all of the above? So the correct answer is all of the above. 20. In 01 knapsack problem using branch and bound, which method is used to calculate upper bound? Greedy, fractional knapsack, sorting by weight, binary search? So the right answer is fractional knapsack. 21. Which of the following problem is not typically solved using branch and bound? Assignment problem, Sudoku puzzle, TSP, knapsack? So the right answer is Sudoku puzzle. ठीक है. 22. In branch and bound, nodes are explored based on their depth, their cost, their order या फिर random order? So the correct answer is their cost. 23. Which data structure is commonly used in branch and bound for node expansion? स्टैक क्यू, प्रायोरिटी क्यू या फिर लिंक लिस्ट। सो द राइट आंसर इज प्रायोरिटी क्यू। 24 in TSP using branch and bound the cost metric is reused to minimize the bound, reduce the number of paths, increase the complexity, store solution. So the correct answer is minimize the bound. 25 what does bounding mean in branch and bound? Restricting depth, calculating lower upper limit to avoid unnecessary paths, fixing number of iteration, stopping recursion. So the correct answer is calculating lower upper limit to avoid unnecessary path. 26 approximation algorithm are mainly used when exact solution are easy, problems are P class, problem are NP hard, solution don't exist. So the right answer is problems are NP hard. 27 which of the following is an NP hard problem? Binary search, vertex cover, merge sort या फिर BFS. So the right answer is vertex cover. 28 which problem is often approximated using greedy algorithm? Vertex cover, shortest path, minimum spanning tree या फिर sorting. So the correct answer is vertex cover. 29 an alpha approximation algorithm satisfies the condition approx solution is less than equal to alpha into optimal, या फिर ऑप्शन नंबर बी अप्रॉक्स सॉल्यूशन ग्रेटर देन अल्फा इंटू ऑप्टिमल, या फिर अप्रॉक्स सॉल्यूशन इक्वल टू अल्फा इंटू एन, या फिर नन। तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या आ जाएगा इसका, याद रखिएगा अप्रॉक्स सॉल्यूशन लेस देन अल्फा इंटू ऑप्टिमल, ये एंड टर्म में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन था, ठीक है। 30 द अप्रोक्सीमेशन रेशियो ऑफ टू अप्रोक्सीमेशन एल्गोरिथम इज 1 to 0.53, तो इसका राइट क्या हो जाएगा 2, ठीक है। 31 सेट कवरिंग प्रॉब्लम इज एनपी कंप्लीट, पी undecidable, solving with BFS. So the right answer is NP complete. 32 which problem is often approximated using bin packing heuristics? Graph coloring, Sudoku, resource allocation, assignment problem. So the right answer is resource allocation. 33 in vertex cover approximation the greedy approach picks vertices with least degree, vertices with max degree, random vertex, BFS traversal. So the correct answer is vertices with max degree. 34 what is the time complexity of a greedy approximation of for vertex cover? Order of n square, order of m plus n या फिर order of 1. So the correct answer is order of m plus n. 35 which is not an approximation algorithm? Vertex cover, bin packing, Prim's algorithm या फिर set cover. So the correct answer is Prim's algorithm. 36 the goal of approximation algorithm is to get exact answer always, reduce time complexity, provide near optimal answer in polynomial time, always solve NP complete problem. So the correct answer is provide near optimal answer in polynomial time. 37 in bin packing problem which method packs each item in first available bin? Best fit, worst fit, first fit या फिर decreasing fit. So the correct answer is first fit. 38 set covering can be approximated using dynamic programming, greedy algorithm, backtracking, BFS. So the correct answer is greedy algorithm, ठीक है। 39 what is true about greedy approximation of set covering problem? Gives always optimal, gives alpha in an approximation, takes exponential time, works only on trees. So the right answer is gives alpha in an approximation, ठीक है। 40 bin packing approximation algorithm guarantee optimal bin use less than equal to 1.7 into OPT bins या फिर no bound या फिर ऑप्शन नंबर डी 100% efficiency. So the right answer is of this question use less than equal to 1.7 into OPT bins, ठीक है। तो थैंक यू, इसी के साथ हमारा यूनिट 5 कंप्लीट हुआ। अब चलते हैं हम लोग यूनिट नंबर 6 पे। तब तक जितना हो सके आप लोग प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए, और नहीं तो चीटिंग करके तो देना ही है, ठीक है। थैंक यू, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट यूनिट मतलब यूनिट नंबर 6 पे, ठीक है। थैंक यू दोस्तों, बाय।